welcome to Tech Buddy YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you that how very nice cryptocurrency wallet which its name is onus. The full form I will show you what is the full form of this onus. Now I have already registered. I will touch the fed and log in it. If you first time log in this application, you will get $10, and after KBC you will able to do trading. It's a very nice application, and every day it will gift you coins, like many coins you can get from here. You need to register. Now updated scam. Now leave it. So I have 10.21 asset VNDC. It's on the chain wallet name chain coin, and I've already have these gifted, and this gifted to me this. So if you want to use this application, you want to send it to your friend, the more your friend register, the more gifted this will gift you. From here I will provide the link under the video description. You can get it from there. To join, these are the groups. So I have already done its KYC. It's full my account is fully KYC verified. First of all, you need to upload your NIC or etc. After that you can do its KYC. This is the get referral link. I will click here, get referral link. I will copy this link to I will paste it in the under the video description. You can get it from there. So you can receive, inviting a friend, you can receive 35,000 VND and one free crypto when referring a friend to onus. So it's very nice trading application. Plus you need to register it and do its KYC. See how I got these. I already got 547 VNDC. So it's very nice trading application. You can also, if you get more and more, you can also convert these crypto exchange receipts and P2P. If you need, if you have already a lot of VNDC, you can buy and sell from VNDC. For example, to 23,700 140 VNDC, if you have, you can sell them and get 58 USDT. All rate are mentioned here. You just need have a VNDC. How can you get VNDC? A lot of VNDC by referring your friend. The more friend you join, the more VNDC you can get. It's very nice trading wallet, so you must use it. Buy VNDC, sell VNDC, stack, daily farming, all these are air partner credit more. You can click here, check it out, or you can read their step one by one. It's nice and very trustable wallet. These are the invest here. You can see the crypto rate, what the rate are today, and you can see all crypto are mentioned here. You can see it: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Unix, Sand, Mana, all are mentioned here. It's your wallet. You can check it out here. Buy crypto, you can click here to buy crypto. Any crypto you want to buy and sell, here you can easily buy and sell. For example, if you want to buy USDT, Euro, USDT, JPY, VND. For example, Bitcoin, I can click Bitcoin. You can buy crypto with mean which crypto, from which crypto you want to buy Bitcoin. For example, I click USDT, where I wrote 100 USDT. Now click check it out. Now I don't have account, that's why amount in my account. So you can buy and sell. This is the very nice trading wallet. I suggest you must use that. I will provide this link under the video description. You can register yourself from there. You can click here to add more asset. For example, these are the main screen, these asset. Now I want to add more coin in front of wallet. I can get all these are coins are here, all coins. Z, for example, I want to add this coin. For example, Tron, Tomo, Whole coins are mentioned here. For example, Tron, I want to add Tron and main screen, Bitcoin and main screen. Now check it out here. These are come in main screen. You can check out. It's a very nice trading wallet. You must use it. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video, and please do subscribe this channel. Click bell icon button to get latest update regarding any cryptocurrency and any earning information and Tech Buddy YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video. Thank you.